finally got normal looking crabs to make my seafood boil. Hey family, what's going on? What's popping? So I just parked my BMW and I'm about to go inside of my local supermarket to see how much it's gonna cost me to get some sausages, some potatoes, and some corn to make my first ever seafood boil. I found crab and I just have to try the seafood boil thing. So let's go on inside and see what we can get. I'm thinking about using these corns. It's for 148 yen, 4 pieces. These whole one over here is for 179 plus tax, of course. Let me see if I can see the fresh corns and how much they cost. Well, I don't see the fresh corns, so I'm just gonna buy a pack of these. I usually buy these anyhow. Okay, potatoes. We have these over here. 70 yen for one. This is 239 for a bag, and these have like maybe half a dozen. We have some over on this side as well. Let me see what makes more sense. 199 yen, and these are like 3 big ones. And here 179 yen, some smaller ones. What do I do? Because it's a seafood boil, I think I'm just gonna go for the cheaper option and buy the small ones. I want some rounder ones. All right, next to the sausages. This is why I was excited to find the crab legs that I found. Even though for the price, I would have gotten more in Jamaica. Of course, I would have gotten more than one big whole crab. But as you can see, this price and the crab legs that I got was like for 500 yen for 2 packs. So I'll show you those. So I ended up buying some salmon for dinner for another time because I saw salmon cream sauce and I want to try it. And this is a salmon cream sauce, 179 yen. I'm gonna try it. It looks really nice. They usually have like all sorts of sauces. I've never tried them before. This one looks like has something to do with seafood, and because it's a seafood boil, I would risk buying this. I have no seafood boil sauce. Of course, I'm gonna be doing my own, stuff, but it's 348 yen plus tax. I'm gonna try it. It says it's for seafood, ain't it? And these are the directions, so I'm just gonna give it a try. I have the potatoes, the corn, and now I need to get the sausages. So let's go to the show. Okay, the options for sausages have started here. 207 yen for that, and 270 for those. I think those are too expensive, so let's look at these. 268. Long manga sausage. They have some sausages that I usually buy. Kind of more on the expensive side, but my seafood boil is gonna be expensive. I want to bake it nice. 369 yen for these. Nah, there are some other options here. 261 yen. I don't want to be touching them. Anyways, let's see. Burgerwurst, 261 for 4. That looks quite flavorful. I usually buy these $5.98 plus tax. They have the lemon and pepper, cheddar cheese, and original smoked. Actually, for the seafood boil, I really do not need expensive sausages, but I don't know, I might just buy these for 90 yen. Oh my gosh, what do I do? I love those, but those are like special treats for me. 261 yen, 24 is in this pack. I might just get that one because I can have sausages for breakfast. Oh, speaking of breakfast, I need to buy some eggs. I didn't buy eggs the last time because they were too expensive at the other shop. Okay, let's see now. Okay, so I'm gonna take these Tokyo 2020 sausages. It's just a few in there, but for 135 doesn't make sense. No. I'm paying for Tokyo 2020. Oh my gosh, this is harder than I thought. I'll take the cheap ones. This is like 5 for 90 yen. So I'll take 2 packs of these. Does it make sense? This be 180 yen. Oh, for 10. Oh my gosh. I didn't know it would have been so hard for me to choose sausages. Like there's kind of more expensive than I usually buy them for. I think I usually get them on sale actually. Okay, over here it says sale. Whenever I see that red tag, 10% off, something like that. 234 yen plus tax. So I'm gonna just take one of these. And you get 2 packs. But it's just 5 in okay. Wow, I'm actually wondering if I should wait for Wednesday when they have sale. Because when they have sale, the eggs are for like 100 yen. For the these same eggs that you see here for 179. It's kind of like double. Can I wait until Wednesday to eat egg? Of course I can. I'm gonna wait, honestly. It's just like double. I'm not so much into egg. I can eat something else until, right? Yeah. So no egg for me today. Instead of the eggs, I'm just going to buy a UFO, unidentified flying object. This is a UFO. When I'm eating it, I'll let you guys see what it's like. So I think I'm done. Let's go to the cashier. It's my bill. I actually paid 1,663 for all my items. That's what, like $16, $15. So there you have it, guys. That's what I got for 1,600 and something yen. That's like 15 US dollars, or 1,700 and something Jamaican dollars. So you do the math. Was it worth it? But I'm telling you, my seafood boil was worth it. Yeah, this is my little seafood boil story. The sauce had no flavor, so I just put it in the pot to boil the stuff. And I made some butter sauce. All I did was to saute some onions, garlic, added some brown sugar, and of course, you know, parsley, oregano is something new. Feel hungry, I don't know. some bouillon thing. You know, any little sauce they have and a lot of butter. Trust me when I say it nice. I'm gonna dig in now.